people, it's me, MsEbonyVee. Welcome back or to my channel. If you're new here, thank you so much for joining me today. On this channel, I do like to bring you a lot of hair related content, especially with wigs. So if that's something you're interested in, please do consider hitting that subscribe button as well as that notification bell so you don't miss any other videos. And if you're returning, hey Shug Muffin. Alright y'all, so today we have another synthetic wig review, and I am reviewing a Vivica A Fox unit. I don't know if I reviewed one of these on my channel before. If I have, it may have been only one. But we got one today, and I am reviewing this unit in the style SEMELE. Now look, I'm a little embarrassed and sad to say that I have had this unit for at least 2 years. And I have several units that I have had like this for like 2 years that have just been sitting in a box over here in my corner, and I'm gonna pull them out. Like, that's where I am now. Like, so I have this unit SEMELE in the color STT1B/99J. So this unit does claim to come pre-plucked. It claims to have ear-to-ear Swiss lace front, natural density, unlimited parting options, and it's 100% hand-tied lace. Like I said, with the free parting. So yeah, this unit has been around for a little while. Like I said, I've had it for 2 years at minimum. It may have been even more than that, I don't know. But let's go ahead and dive into the unboxing and installing of Miss SEMELE. Alright y'all, so this is the stock card for SEMELE, and this is the hair straight out of the package. Very beautiful. You know I love this burgundy color with the dark roots. Very decent hairline. I did go in and pluck it some more off camera. It does have a standard cap with the 2 combs on the sides, one in the back with the adjustable straps with that ventilated breathable cap. And this is that free parting space that I mentioned earlier. Now I did go ahead and tint the lace, even though it came brown girl friendly. You know me, I just was extra. So this is now the hair straight on my head, and I feel like I did it some justice by going in to pluck it a little bit more. But I only plucked in the middle because it wasn't pre-plucked like on the sides at all. So I didn't even bother messing with the sides. I mean, you're not going to see much of the sides anyway, and I'm probably going to add some swoops on the side, so it's going to camouflage it anyway. So now I'm just going to go ahead and continue with the installing process and go ahead and adhere these 2 sides since I adhered the middle. I'm going to do the same thing that I'm doing right now to the other side, but I'm not going to show it in the video to save time. I think this hairline is coming off extremely natural looking. I think it looks really, really good. Plucking does go a long way. I know some people don't like to bother, but it really does. So now we're going to use our good old Silky Sax melt band and go in and melt this lace down into the skin. Now, of course, I wanted to show you all of your parting options with this free parting space. So, of course, you can do a right side, left side, or middle part. And, of course, a half up, half down type of style as well. Styling options are limitless, and I absolutely love the versatility of this free parting space. I decided to go with a deep curved right side part because that's just my jam. That's what I like. So that's what I'm doing now. And then I'm just going to kind of mold that part in place with using my hot comb. All right, so now we are nice and laid. Got my face all the way together, and I am feeling the way that this has melted. It is blended very nicely in my opinion. Now I'm just going to add a couple little swoops because, you know, I was just, you know, I'm in a swoops mood. You know how I do. I think this hair is absolutely beautiful. It definitely gives off like nice glam vibes. And honey, you can go ahead and get out in these streets and Holi-Slay your life away for the holidays. Come on, bars. Very nice wig. So this is another Holi-Slay unit for sure. These beautiful waves along with this color. Honey, you can glam this up. You can dress it up. You can even dress it down for the holidays, but it is perfect. Y'all, so let's get into my thoughts on this SEMELE unit. So first and foremost, huge fan of this body wave style, and especially this color. Y'all know this is one of my faves. This little burgundy situation going on. One of my favorite colors, y'all. I did pluck this hairline off camera. Yeah, hairline was a little dense. Not too bad, honestly. They didn't do any plucking on the side, so I only focus on this middle area right here, as you see. So that's pretty decent now that I went through and plucked her. Look at her. She's gorgeous, y'all. So this is one of them units. It's good to look at. Real good to look at, because she looks amazing, don't she? But honey, if the tangling ain't on 100, there's no gliding through this unit. I have to brush every 5 minutes. Yeah, I don't know what fibers they used in here, but it is on Tangle Drive over here, okay? And I ain't here for that. I ain't here for the tangles. We not shedding. I'm gonna give it that. It ain't really shedding a whole lot, but I'm not with the tangling life like that. Like, you can, you know, I'm just not here for the tangling life. So this is one of them units where it serves a look for a temporary moment and situation. Definitely. Have your brush handy. You're gonna need it real bad. I mean, this could potentially be like some really cute and sexy holiday type of hair for the holidays coming up. But again, it is event specific. It is for you to wear one time for a short amount of time. Like, not all day. This is not your everyday kind of wig. With the tangling that I'm experiencing, don't you wear this every day. Don't you do it. So yeah, one time event, yeah, she's cute. She's cute for that. Yeah. This texture is giving a little yucky slash light silky at the same time, so it's a little texture, but I just don't like the fibers that are used because it's just causing way too much tangling. But it is, look at this, I'm stuck. It is you know, a little combo of that light yucky, light silky. That's what you got with this one. The luster is real nice though. It's not coming off all super shiny. Very nice luster. The density is like light to medium, not super full. It's not a whole lot of hair, honestly, but it appears to be that way, as you can see. Like, when I got all the hair to the front, it really appears like it's a lot of hair. It's not. I'll be honest, it is not a lot of hair at all. Like, this is it. This is it. It's not that full as you may think. But I like the fact that it looks that way. Come on, trick. Let's trick them. Trick the eyes. Trick the eye. Let's look full, honey, when we know we not. All right, so let's get into the price. Price range is anywhere between like $30 and $40. Very affordable, in my opinion. I will leave a shopping link down in the description box, so be sure to check that out if it's something you're interested in. So that's pretty much all I have for you wonderful people today. If you have made it this far in the video, go ahead and leave me this little red glass of wine right here. Down in the comments so that I know you made it to the end, Shug Muffin, and you know I love and appreciate you for that. I thank you all so much for rocking with me today. Please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you have not, and I will be sure to catch you beautiful people in the next video.